As a language model, ChatGPT can provide woodworkers with information on a variety of topics related to their craft, including techniques. ChatGPT can offer advice on various woodworking techniques, such as joinery, wood carving, wood turning, and finishing. Here are sample questions to ask ChatGPT regarding techniques. What is the best way to make a strong joint between two pieces of wood? How do I carve intricate details into a piece of wood? What is the process for turning a square piece of wood into a round shape using a lathe? What are some tips for achieving a smooth and even finish on a woodworking project? Tools and equipment. ChatGPT can provide information on the different types of tools and equipment used in woodworking, such as saws, drills, sanders, routers, and lathes, and recommend the best ones to use for a particular project. Here are sample questions to ask ChatGPT regarding tools and equipment. What is the best type of saw to use for cutting a straight line through a piece of wood? How do I choose the right size drill bit for a particular project? What is the difference between a belt sander and an orbital sander, and when should I use each one? How do I properly maintain and sharpen my chisels and other cutting tools? Wood selection. ChatGPT can provide guidance on how to select the best wood for a particular project, including factors such as strength, durability, grain pattern, and cost. Here are sample questions to ask ChatGPT regarding wood selection. What type of wood is best for making outdoor furniture that will be exposed to the elements? How do I choose the best grain pattern for a particular project? What are some cost-effective options for using high-quality wood in my projects? How can I tell if a piece of wood is strong and durable enough for my project? Project ideas. ChatGPT can suggest various woodworking project ideas, ranging from simple beginner-level projects to more complex ones. Here are sample questions to ask ChatGPT regarding project ideas. What are some simple beginner-level projects that I can start with? What is a good project to try if I want to practice my carving skills? What are some unique and interesting woodworking projects that are not commonly seen? How can I modify an existing woodworking project to make it my own? Safety. ChatGPT can provide advice on how to work safely in the woodshop, including the proper use of tools and equipment, protective gear, and handling of wood. Here are sample questions to ask ChatGPT regarding safety. What are the most important safety precautions to take when using power tools? How can I protect myself from sawdust and other airborne particles in the woodshop? What is the proper way to handle and store sharp cutting tools? How can I prevent common injuries such as cuts, splinters, and eye injuries in the woodshop? Troubleshooting. ChatGPT can offer troubleshooting advice for common problems that woodworkers may encounter, such as wood splitting, glue failure, and finishing issues. Here are sample questions to ask ChatGPT regarding troubleshooting. How can I fix a gap between two pieces of wood in a joint that was supposed to be tight? What should I do if my glue joint fails and the pieces of wood come apart? How can I fix a blotchy or uneven finish on a piece of wood? What is causing my wood to split and how can I prevent it from happening in the future? Resources. ChatGPT can recommend books, websites, and other resources that woodworkers can use to improve their skills and knowledge. Here are sample questions to ask ChatGPT regarding resources. What are some good books or websites to learn about woodworking techniques and projects? Where can I find free woodworking plans online? Are there any online communities or forums where I can connect with other woodworkers and get advice? What are some recommended YouTube channels or other video resources for learning about woodworking? By providing this information and guidance, ChatGPT can help woodworkers at all skill levels to improve their craft and achieve better results in their woodworking projects.